The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Very good morning, guys. Rich, Jim in San Diego, Deepak, good morning. Guys, today is February 28th, last day of the month. Moving closer to spring, at least here in the South. Guys, good morning. I hope you all had a blessed weekend. Getting a bid here in gold, indices. Becky, good morning, and blessings to you as well. Guys, I hope you had a great great weekend, enjoyed your families. We're back at it. Anybody that is in the afternoon session, we are still using the February link. Today is the last day of the February link. If you guys are in the afternoon session, I have invoiced everybody. Most of you guys have remitted your payment. But if you guys wish to be in the afternoon session, please take care of that. If you do not, email me. We had great, I thought, terrific education on Saturday morning. For those of you guys that attended, I thank you for your timed Saturday morning. I guess we were there for 2.5 hours or so. I had indicated this past Saturday that I would do education again on Saturday. I will not be doing education on Saturday. I will not be in town. But, thank you, Becky. I will do education Friday. I did record it, Lori. Yep. If anybody did not attend and would like the video, just send me an email and I will gladly send you the video. Tomorrow, Tuesday, group number 4 will meet for the final time for order flow class, or at least our final weekly. It's class number 24. If anyone has any outstanding questions or issues or concerns or whatever the case may be, please send me an email with those. I'll address them in class, or in the alternative, you can bring them to class. Okay? All right, let's take a look at what we've got. We've had a few bot trades this morning, 3. We had a gold short, which got first target only. It's rebounded into a long, but the signal came against a white background, so no trade there. Morning, Dave. We have had 2 NASDAQ trades. This first short missed first target literally by a single tick. Missed first target by a single tick, went to a loss. The second trade, this long, actually got all 3 targets. And currently, the bot is up $415. So we've had 3 bot trades this morning, 2 winners and a loser by a stinking tick. You guys may have noticed, and I talked about this in education on, good morning, Todd. I talked about this in education on Saturday. I put the our trend candles on all of my bots, and we talked about this on Saturday. So if anyone would like that video, just send me an email and I'll send you the video from Saturday's education. As I said, it's about 2.5 hours we spent on Saturday morning. I'll do some education on Friday, and the education I'm going to do on Friday, we have a number of new members over the last, 6 months, and I have not shown some of our indicators and some of the things that will help you guys in trading. I believe, for instance, those trend candles. So Friday, after I close the room, I'll do a separate link, and I will showcase the indicators that are available to you all. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We do have some trials this week. for the benefit of the trials at 11 o'clock every morning, I go over, and the members as well, I go over all the bot trades. I put an ellipse around all the trades. I'll explain the trades, the times, etc. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and we'll look at some charts. We'll see where we may end up today. Let's see here, guys. I'm going to have to find it, so bear with me. Some days it's right on top. Other days it is not, and I've got to find it. There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, I missed by a damn tick. Nice job, Ozzy. You're welcome, brother. Gold is rolling over a bit. Come on, give me another candle. Yes. What do we got? 2 minutes yet. NASDAQ, I think we now trade 335. 335. Minute and 15 seconds to the next candle on the 5 minutes. So let's see what we get. Here's the ES, a little easier to see. Here's your big buyer in the ES. Blocks 114.66 and 84. Bought 43.30. 43.30. That 114 is a big block. I wouldn't want to see it below 16. You got 1,250 contracts. Yeah, watch Netflix above 402. Netflix above 402 is your long. Let me know, will you, Mimi? I'm not watching Netflix, so you know what I can do. Let me get rid of Palantir because I don't really care about it. Netflix. ES long. Damn it. I changed that stupid screen. ES long. Pull back. Here's our support. I'm going to take ES, guys. Come on. All right. I bought ES. God, what's happening to me? Target 1. We should trade up to 40. See if I can get 2 off at 36. If we come through that swing, we probably can get 38 or 39. There we go. Trade them as you see fit. Trade them as you see fit. Goldbot just shorted. Come on, push it. We took that swing. We should trade up into 40 half. See if we can get 39, 7 handles. Trade for your accounts, fellas. Not the next guy's, not anybody else's, but yours. Small sellers here. Come on. If you like the NASDAQ, go, go, go. There you go, guys. Target filled. 7 handles. Let's take that day high and go. There you go, fellas. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. That's all we need. 1, right? Just 1? Whee! Nice job, John. Trade number 2. Anybody long? Got 7 on the first. Still have 5. Okay, Nick. All right, NASDAQ got my target. I'm expecting a pullback on the NASDAQ. ES really needs to get above 50. Above 50, the ES is going to blow. Got small buyers here in the NASDAQ, not enthusiastic. Got another 1,684 buyers at 40. Look at the blocks at 40. 81, 64, 110, 53, 273, 69, and 107. And then we've got block up here. Somebody bought 150 cars at 42.75. That's a nice trade. Unfinished auction. Yeah, I mean, listen, here's the thing, Caleb. If I go to a 1 minute or a 3 minute or a 7 minute or a 10 minute, I'll find unfinished auctions all over Hell's Half Acre. You can trade them, but how did that take the stop on gold? Oh, took the trail out on gold. Yes, we've got to get above 50, fellas. Above 50, they're buying them again here, 18, 20. You got some sellers along the way. But they bought him again at 40. So trade your runner on the ES as you see fit and you deem appropriate for your account. We have pulled the 68 up. We're a little bit overbought on the 5-minute, but take a look at a 15-minute. All right, I'm going to kill the runner. Killed the runner. I think we're going to pull back. Same with the NASDAQ. All right, NASDAQ's coming into support between 30 and 40. Get ready for an NQ long. Small net sellers. We're bouncing ahead of that 30 support. Well, no, between 30 and 40. So, I mean, we came down to 34. Guys, I'm going to put an ATM on, which I rarely use. First target at 10 handles, 40 ticks. Shoot. Well, I said between 30 and 40. And we got exactly 30. Not too bad if anybody was paying attention. I went to put an ATM on and she's gone. 20 handles. All right. Gold is long on the bot. Ukraine presidential advisor saying that talks with Russia are ongoing. If we get a ceasefire or something, this is going to blow. Anybody catch 30 to 40? Look at this bounce. Anywhere from 40 to 50 handles, depending on where you grabbed it. Nice job. Nice job. That was my trade. We're going to trade back up to 100, I would guess. Guys, I think we're longs, period. Stop below 30. I mean, it's huge stop now, so let's see if we can get a pullback. Coming back into that. All right, I'm going to try to buy 32. Oh, just missed. Missed. All right. Let me get this out of here. Target filled, 10 handles, now free trade and break even. Okay. Pull back to 984. Okay. Well, let me just make some money in the middle. Got a 157 buyer here. 160. They bought them again with blocks 22, 23, 30, and 31. There you go, fellas. Trade them as you see fit. You have $400 here. Got a long on the RTY bot. Come on, get up there. Let's go. Block here of 20, block there of 24. They bought them again at 48 and a quarter. Chicago PMI missed. All right, now we can go home, right? Come on. I'm on the close. All right, there we go. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Let's go get us 110 and break above it. High of the day on the ES. There you go. A little better than 50 handles here, guys, on your runner. Everybody good? Easy peasy. Let's see what we want to do with our stop. Not much I can do with it. I'm going to move it up to 46. How about? What does that mean? Out trading, no size? What? Bank of Japan will be freezing Russian reserve assets. I don't. Oh, one contract. Okay, got it. Everybody good, fellas? I'm going to take the ES long again. 35. If I can get it. I think I may be getting cheap. Yeah, I'm going to get. All right, 35 long on the ES with target 1 at 38.50. 38.50. I do take losing trades, guys. You know that. So trade accordingly. Take a look at this damn TS. Yeah, stop has to be below 25. Yep. Gold didn't get first target. Missed by 2 ticks. 19.5. 3 ticks. Yeah, you don't know that. You can always kill the trade, Mimi, if you don't like it. You know, if you guys are sitting there and you want to take them off, take them off. All right, guys. 2 contracts off on the ES. Another 3.5 handles. Russell got target 1 on the bot. Target 1 filled. Look at all the signals it gave. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm thinking it's a long. Target 1 hit. That's it for 19 ticks. Nice job, Frank. NASDAQ target. I think we're going to trade up to 44.35. 44.35. I think we'll surely see 41.80 to 4,200, which was yesterday's high and close. Gold is kind of torquing me on this bot trade. ES above 43.50 and she blows. NASDAQ, good support around 40 if it comes back there. So fellas, 3 trades, 3 winners. Unless you're doing nothing, you can't possibly have not made money. Consider your daily goals. Consider the risk every time you put trades on. Russell out on the runners. Come on, wind it up, ES. Let's go. I don't see a huge buyers in here. Got a 61 contract seller here. Trade number 2. Look at this. Hits target, doesn't fill it. Peeve. Target filled. Can we go get targets 2 and 3? Come on. New day high on the ES. Hit that 110 again on the NASDAQ. A break above this, we start working into 180 on the NASDAQ. 180. Start targeting 180. Got 1,100 buyers here on the ES. 1168. Second target hit on the RTY. Got to get above 50, guys, and I think we rip. 4380 is my final target on the ES. 4380. French President Macron has spoken to Putin earlier today. They didn't say what they spoke about. Yeah, Chuck. Anything that is of a technical issue, you send to Joel. Guys, I don't handle anything technical on bots. Your bot didn't work, so it didn't fire trade, whatever the case may be. I do not handle technical issues. That's Joel's category. And without me seeing it, I can't possibly assess it. So you do have data for crude and gold, correct? I mean, if you look at a DOM, are you getting data? Chuck? No data. So the issue isn't the bot. The issue is not the bot. The issue is you don't have data. So don't bother emailing Joel. Email Ninja and ask them why you're not getting data on gold and crude. You have data through. Let me ask you a question. Do you have a free version of Ninja? Lifetime. Okay, so that makes no sense to me. Email Ninja. Anybody else having an issue with gold or crude data? Nobody else. Crude missed first target, guys, by 2 ticks and is going to go to a loss. Unless this thing breaks back up. I'm sorry, gold. Did I say crude? I meant gold. If it gets back above 17, I'll like it a lot more. If my kindergarten teacher could see me now, Chuck. I will send it again, Ryan. Apologies. You know, ADD comes in really handy. There goes NASDAQ, fellas. 180. Next target up. All right. RTY got all 3 targets on the bot. Gold is going to flip into a short. All 3 targets hit there. And gold is pissing me off. We came 2 ticks from first target, and we're now rolling. Here goes the ES. We got 12 handles, 13 handles. Everybody should be good, guys. It's only 3 trades. All 3 are winners. Everybody should be good. So here, let me just show you. Let's go, Oompa Loompa. Give me 15 handles. Nope. All right, guys. First losing trade of the day. I'm done. I'm out of the ES. I'm out of the ES. And I'm done with this piece of crap. I'm out. I'm out. Too much of a pullback for me. This is going to come to 62. Too big for me. Now it bounces. That is correct, Ray. As of March 1st. And it says that in the email I sent you. We're just working off overbought here, guys, on a small time frame. NASDAQ still down 90. ES off 44. YM down 400 and change. EMD off 16. Russell off 7. Okay, Frank, I'll send it again. Time is 10:08. Guys, give me 1 minute. Target 1 is off. That's it. Then we got a gold long now on the bot. This is trade number 5, right? Yeah. I would say NASDAQ. Gold is just flat. I mean, I'm looking at this chart. There's a trend line here, but it's flat. German nuclear safety minister. I didn't hear the rest of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're now into the 6th consecutive 3-minute bar of net sellers. Out on crude on the runner. Back to minutia here, fellas. I think we can trade back to 72. It's got to get above 60. All right, I'm going to try a long on gold again, on NASDAQ. First target is 72. Scumbag. Got buyers now. Come on, you. 10:18. Next 10-minute bar in 2 minutes. Nice job, George. Really nice job. All right, guys. That's it with me on the NASDAQ. No, maybe not yet. We could drop all the way down to 900. We could drop down to 13,990. It's trying to hold support here in the hourly. Can't find buyers. It had buyers, lost buyers. Come on, get up there. There it goes. Hold that freaking hourly support. Come on. We will absolutely find buyers above 63.25. Gold is going to get first target. It hit first target. There it is. Gold got first target on the bot. Come on, find buyers. Man, you guys, NASDAQ has no killer instinct today. None. Gold giveth, Russell gonna taketh. This is trade 3. Out on Russell. Target filled on NASDAQ. That was painful. Come on, break above here. Start working to 110. Got a seller showed up here. Too tight on the stop. Good God almighty, man. It was 87 handles. Why use one? That's all right. Now they got the short screwed. There you go, guys. Anybody long? Anybody long NASDAQ? Okay. ES. I don't have it yet. Yeah, she's volatile, but she's going back to 110. and probably 128 and higher. Putin told French President Macron that a neutral status for the Ukraine is needed to end the conflict. Dun, 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 dun. I'm half tempted to buy SPY calls. Because I think Ukraine will give them that. Anyone disagree? Anybody holding NASDAQ, fellas? Okay. All right, fellas. I think we're good here. Let me take a look at the ES, see if I can't get a trade on the ES. See if I've got size I can key on. Nothing. I'm going to take the ES long. But I just don't have it yet. NASDAQ sitting. ES is pulling back, so I'm going to kill NASDAQ. Out of NASDAQ. Yield. Yield. I still prefer NASDAQ long. YM, I've got nothing but shorts. ES, I still prefer it long. You're welcome, Dave. Gold and crude are bidding. Guys, it's coming up on bottom of the hour. The only bot that hasn't taken it. All right, I'm going to take a long, guys, on the ES. Target number 1 is going to be, I've got to get through 36 quarter, 38 again. We're basically in the same range. There we go. We should get that. We're through here. Got some small sellers, 36 quarter half. Now we've got sell. There we go. They just bid them. They just bid back through 2 of those sellers. We've got to come back through this small seller here, 72 at 36 half. Buyers, sellers at the point of control. Come on, stink face. Let's go. All right. Come on. Give me that dang target. Hit target and did not fill me. You got him now. All right. Let's go. If we can get through that swing at 40 half, she'll blow. We should see the highs again. Got to get through that swing at 40 half. Who says I can't trade the ES? Where'd that rumor start? I'm out. I'm done. Everybody good, fellas? Okay. See you, Jeff. See you tomorrow. Jeff D. All right, guys. I'm telling you, I'm tempted to buy calls this week or next week's expiration. Long NASDAQ. You dirt rag if you're not already long. Long NASDAQ, guys. You know, we may fart around in here because we're pushing yellow. You know, ES is long also. We've got to get up through 32, 33, and this goes to 60 in a heartbeat. Come on, get above 33 and go to 60. There it is, 34. Come on, you got him now. You've got him now. Come on, buddy. Should get at least 45. You got him now. Oh, don't fail at yellow. Come on. Come on, buyers. Let's go. Time is at 32. We've got a bit yet. Come on. Push up through. There we go. Come on. One buyer left at 31. There we go. We should get them, guys. This should go to 55 to 58. Should go 55 to 58. Should. Wants to screw around in here. There you go. Come on. Should go 55 to 57. And then probably a new day high. There goes the ES as well. This thing's a super scumbag. 1,100 net buyers. We pushed up to 45 and pulled back 15 handles. There's just not, it's trying to squeeze higher, fellas. Back below yellow. Just couldn't do it. Come on. There we go. Come on. There's nothing here in the 30s. There's really no reason for this not to go to 57, 55 to 57. Pulled back, found some buyers. Still not really. You know, we should get straight pushes all the way up here. This should be a straight, flat out push. ES is trying to break that 50 area. There it goes, NASDAQ. There you go. There's 54-ish. There it is, 55 to 57. Now we got to break out. We're breaking out above the opening range high, which is 47. So we're 10 handles through the opening range high. We did not put in a new day high, which is a little disappointing, but we got that 55 to 57, which is a good area for target one. You know, unless you're rolling the dice. Greg. I mean, above 58, you're going to see 80. You know, above the high of the day, you're going to see 80. I think it's just kind of winding up. There you go. That's why you make a lot of money trading. But I think it rips, fellas. There it goes. Here comes 180 and probably higher. Whiskey! Or 79. All right, I'm off by 4 handles. 4 ticks, I mean. ES broke above 50. ES is absolutely longs. I like the longs in here on the ES. I like the ES longs. We're through all the resistance on the ES. ES should now trade up into at least Friday's high at 79.80. Order filled. Okay, gold shorted on the bot. NASDAQ's green, guys. Trade 6. Man. Yes, it's fighting here and here. There you go. There's your 80, guys, and then some. They believe, no, we haven't closed the gap. Got a long ways to go. I mean, ES is 43.80, which is my target. NASDAQ isn't even close to. Oh, yeah, it is. Yep. You got gap fill on NASDAQ, a loony. And now it can go higher. NASDAQ, a lackey, gap filled. I told you, I really felt compelled to buy calls on the S&P and on the SPY. I did not. I should have. Guys, been a good session order flow wise. Putin has ordered Russian economic counter sanctions. Who's he going to sanction? China? Nobody will do business with him. What the hell is he talking about? Putin banning FX operations from, and it cut out. Guys, we're going to see 297 and 335. Yeah, Biden will keep buying oil. Yeah, he's a genius, that guy. Come on. There we go. Target hit. Gold had 4 winners and 6 trades. Bots, I think, are down. Not much. A couple $100. look at this NASDAQ go, man. Look at this thing go. We're going to trade 297, fellas. 297. We took out yet Friday's high. It ain't nothing but longs. Nothing but longs. ES as well is going to 43.80. I gave it to you this morning. Told you where we're headed. 43.80. 43.80 on the ES. Nice job, Mac. 43.80, fellas. Crude is rolling over with gold. So we may get another crude trade on the bot. ES is the only thing that has not traded. NASDAQ is not taking another trade. Russell, not likely. We now have 2,700 net buyers in the NASDAQ, fellas. Here we go. Whiskey. Let's go get 287. $297. All right, fellas. It's been a really good day. Guys, is there anybody not making money? Is there anyone not making money today? I mean, I had a couple losing trades, but overall, we're killing them. See you tomorrow, Chris. Guys, every once in a while, I get people that log into the trade room that have no active membership. Right? I mean, the link is in the member area for everyone. But as we all should know, it's for those that have an active membership. So if you are in the trade room and you don't have an active membership, you should probably log out. I'll be sending you an email when I close the room. You don't have a bot, man. All right, we now have a crude short on the bot. I think this is trade number 3. Gold is Hank stramming it down to target 2. Now, don't you screw me around, crude. Trade number 3. These will be the last bot trades, guys. Russell, ES, and NASDAQ are not taking trades. I have to send you an invoice if you want the bot, Dan. All right, guys, let's go over bot trades. Crude today. Trade number 1, failure. Trade number 2, winning trade. Trade number 3, winning trade. Trade number 4, failure. So 2 for 4 on crude, and that's not a trade. Not a trade. ES took no trades today. No trades today on the ES. Gold took 6 trades today, which is indicative of sloppy trading. Trade number 1, losing trade. Trade number 2, losing trade. Trade number 3, losing trade. Trade number 4, winning trade. Trade number 5, winning trade. Trade number 6, winning trade. 3 for 6. Russell took 3 trades today. This is trade number 1. These are all simply subsequent signals. Trade number 1 was a winning trade, target 1. Trade number 2, all 3 trades. And trade number 3, losing trade. 2 for 3. Last but not least is NASDAQ. Trade number 1 at 6:24 this morning missed first target. May have hit. Did that hit? No. It missed first target by literally 63, 1 tick. Complete losing trade, 1 tick. Trade number 2, very nice winning trade. Trade number 3, first target only. And trade number 4, all 3 targets. And it may have been green on yours. It was 1 red on mine. So who knows? I don't really care. It's a winning trade. It's a winning trade. I took it off, but so here's where we finished on the bots today, guys. Down $655. Down 655. All right. Anybody have any questions?